Have you ever pondered why service rules are paramount when it comes to the food and beverage department in a star hotel? Well, today we're going to delve into this intriguing topic. Imagine this scenario. You're in the illustrious Orchid Star Hotel, renowned for its impeccable service and attention to detail. But what is it that sets this establishment apart from the countless others? The answer is simple and yet complex. It's their adherence to service rules, particularly in the food and beverage department. The Orchid Star Hotel's food and beverage department operates on a set of well-defined, meticulously crafted service rules. These rules are not just guidelines, rather, they are the backbone of the entire operation. One of the fundamental rules in their playbook is, the customer is king. Every action, every decision is taken with the customer's satisfaction in mind. From the moment a guest walks into their restaurant, they are treated with respect and courtesy, and their needs are anticipated and catered to. Another crucial rule is hygiene and cleanliness. The Orchid Star Hotel leaves no room for compromise when it comes to maintaining the highest standards of hygiene. From the kitchen to the dining area, every inch is kept spotless. The staff is trained and regularly reminded to follow strict hygiene protocols to ensure the safety and health of the customers. Next, we come to the rule of consistency. Whether it's the quality of the food, the presentation, or the service, everything needs to be consistent. This is what helps in building the hotel's reputation and ensures that customers keep coming back. Moreover, the rule of teamwork is deeply embedded in their functioning. Every individual, from the chef to the server, works in perfect harmony to deliver an unforgettable dining experience. They understand that the success of the food and beverage department depends on their collective efforts. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the rule of continuous improvement. The Orchid Star Hotel believes in constantly evolving and improving its services. They listen to customer feedback, analyze their operations, and implement changes to enhance their service. So, as we can see, service rules in the food and beverage department are not just about serving food and drinks. They are about creating an experience, a memory that guests will cherish and want to relive. They are about building a reputation, establishing trust, and ensuring the growth and success of the hotel. To recap, we have explored the importance of service rules in the food and beverage department through the case study of the Orchid Star Hotel. We discussed the rules of customer satisfaction, hygiene and cleanliness, consistency, teamwork, and continuous improvement. These rules are not just applicable to star hotels but can be implemented in any food and beverage establishment to enhance their service and boost their success. So whether you're a hotel management student or a professional in the industry, understanding and implementing these service rules can make all the difference. Remember, it's the details that make a dining experience exceptional. And it's these service rules that help in achieving that perfection. So keep these rules in mind, implement them, and see the difference it makes to your service.